Hey beautiful people, I am Tiffany and this is the Annivia short Afro curly wig with bangs in the color two-tone ombre dark brown, and the cap size is a medium to a large. It had no combs with a standard strap, and throwing this wig on is very large head friendly. I began to finger comb it. These barrel curls were really soft, really beautiful. I would use a wide tooth comb or my fingers or the tip of a comb. I went in with my trusty feather comb, and if you have one, that helps. I decided that I wanted to cut the bang, so as always, I twisted it, started down low, and cut across. This hair kept its curls. It reminded me of a silk press. I had no frizz, no shedding. The hair felt like it was my own hair. It was just really soft. It had a beautiful luster as well. All right, beautiful people, so let me know what you think about this one. These beautiful barrel curls are so soft and fluffy, just like the other hair. The hair is really soft. But yeah, these barrel curls are so pretty. Like, you know, if you just don't feel like doing nothing and you want to have a little cute style, you know, and the color is fire. Like, I really love the color. So let me know what you all think. I'll put her in the description box so you can go ahead and link her. Super affordable, super soft, pretty barrel curls, easy, no glue, no lace, straight out the bag. Let me know what you think. All right, guys.